Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm breaking down the level system for color. A lot of people get confused about what color they really are. Color's very simple. If you are really dark, you're going to be a level 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you're a medium brown, you're going to be a 4 or 5. A 6 technically is a dark blonde. And then if you're really blonde, you're going to be an 8, 9, or a 10. Anywhere in between there, you could be a 6.5 or a 7. Where it gets tricky is when you're using certain color lines and you switch, a level 5 may actually look like a level 6 in your previous color line. So it's really important to know where you fall on that scale, that level system of a 1 to a 10. Are you a 5? Are you an 8? Are you a 4? And then where does that color line fall? Like, where's their level 5 at? Because a level 5 in Redkin might be a level 6 in Wella. So it's really important you understand where that level system is for that particular color line and then where you stand on that level chart. As long as you know where you are, then you have the ability to take your color to wherever you want it. Whether you're going to go lighter or you're going to go darker, do you have to fill in your color? So if you're a level 5 and you're going to go to a level 9, you're going to have to pass through the reds and the orange and the yellows to get a really pretty level 9, unless you want to be an orangey yellow strawberry blonde. But most people want to be a neutral or a cool if you are a level 5. Basic color theory starts with a level system. 1, black. 2, dark brown. 3, dark brown. 4, brown. 5, medium brown. And then level 6 will be either a really light brown or a dark blonde. 7, medium blonde. 8, blonde. 9, light blonde. 10, lightest blonde. And they might use a couple different words to describe that particular level depending on the brand. But basic color 101, here's the level system. Starts with a 1 being the darkest, 10 being the lightest, and you're going to fall somewhere in between those two particular shades because really no one is really black and no one is really that blonde naturally. So hope that brought you a little bit of a better understanding of how the color level system works. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below and I will chat with you guys later. All right, bye.